Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to talk about how to fix, or if I get in this particular error, the mail server map.gmail.com is not responding. Verify that you have entered the correct account info on mail settings. Might be receiving this error. If that is the case, just follow the instruction. So the first one, we need to enable the email. That's what we have to do. So just go over here in the settings. Now from here, scroll down and navigate to apps. Now from here, you have to search for mail app. Search for mail app. Now from here, you have to select this. And from here, tap on mail account. Now from here, tap on Gmail. And make sure this is turned off. If this is completely turned off, we have to turn this off. This is what you have to do as the first step. After this, still if there is an issue, you have to move to the next one. That is all about you need to delete the VPN, or if it's connected, you have to delete it. So just go over here in the VPN, and if the VPN is turned on, you have to turn this off, or if the VPN is that you have to just completely turn this off. And once afterwards, you have to check. Most probably, first and second steps might be fixing the issue up. Still, if there is an issue, you need to go back. You have to go to the general. Now from here, scroll down and navigate to shutdown over here. Sorry, not shutdown. Just tap over here. Transfer or reset iPhone. Go to the reset. And from here, you have to go for reset network settings. So the reset network settings, you'll be losing all the things like the passwords and all those things. You can connect back to the connection. And most probably any one of these steps will be working for you guys. And if you let us know if the video is helpful, don't forget to subscribe the channel and let us know in the comment section. That's it. Bye-bye.